Good day everyone, we're going to take a look at exercise 49 from chapter 7.4, which is named quadratic equations and which is about solving quadratic equations. And if you watch my explanation video about theory A and B, you saw that the big thing that we were introduced to was the so-called product zero method, right? Which means if I have A times B is 0, something times something is 0, it follows that either that first thing is 0 or that second thing, B, is 0. How can we use this in practice? Well, let's say I have something like this, right? X plus 3 times x minus 3 is A. Can I use the product zero method here? Yeah, I think I can. How? Well, remember, this is something times this is something equals 0. So you could say, well, that first thing I'm going to call A times, right? Let's erase this one right here. Times B equals 0. And that gives us now this part here, which states, well, either A is 0, so x plus 3 is 0, or x minus 3 equals 0. Hey, and now I have something that I can solve, right? Because this is a quadratic equation, or a linear equation, I'm sorry. How could I solve this one? Well, remember chapter 3, when I used the balance method, right? If I did minus 3 on the left-hand side to get rid of it, then I did minus 3 on the right-hand side as well. Here, I want to get rid of this minus 3 by doing plus 3. Then I do that on the right-hand side as well. Why am I doing this? Well, solving means that I want to find out which value x is, right? And now I find that x is either minus 3 or x is 3. So in that case, I've answered my question. So you still have to continue when you were here, right? Well, let's take a look at B as well. And I think after that you will get what we're talking about. Because this looks like a different form, right? Because it sort of is. Here we have something in brackets times something in brackets. Well, here I don't have two things inside of brackets, but still I have this thing. And remember, here is a multiplication sign, and this thing is my second thing, equals 0. So I can still use my product zero thing right here. Now you could say this first thing equals 0, x is 0, or x plus 3, that second thing is 0. I'm very happy that I found this, because this is already an answer. X is 0, that's just a possibility. And for this one, remember, what we do is we do minus 3 on the left hand side, and in that case also minus 3 on the right hand side. X is minus 3. Everything in red, right, you don't have to write down on your test as an intermediate step. It's just there to help you. Everything that I've written in black though is an intermediate step or the final answer, so you must write that down. Okay? Take a look at exercise C and D and find out whether you can now solve them using my explanation from A and B. Good luck!